Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki and I am so excited to be with you today because today's recipe is amazing. It's the recipe that I go to almost every time I need a really fast meal, like in 20 minutes, or if I need to take it to someone that's sick and I just found out about them, or you get the picture. Oh, not that picture. You get the picture. It's one of our very family favorites. It's going to be quick, it's going to be tasty, and you guys don't want to miss out. Friends, this recipe is called cheesy Italian one-pot pasta. My neighbor, my good friend Lisa, shared it with me, and it's so delicious. Let me show you what's in the pot. We are going to have chicken, spinach, Parmesan cheese, onion, I can't say that word, linguine. I need to be Italian to say that. Italian seasoning, pepper, garlic, crushed red peppers, water, sun-dried tomatoes, lemon juice, salt, and I'm actually gonna turn this water into broth. Here's a tip for you. Maybe you have broth that's in a can or that you've made fresh. That's awesome. If not, just get the powder and mix it with water. That's what I do. So let's get started. I have my one pot cooking pot here. It's literally one pot. Everything goes in this one pot. You guys, this has got to be the simplest recipe that I ever share with you. I've shared it with you on the farm on Route 66 before, but it's so good that I needed to share it here again with you. If you haven't made it, you guys, go buy the stuff tonight, try it. If you've made it before, tell me in the comments below how delicious it is. I'm gonna add in 4 cups of water, 4 teaspoons of chicken bouillon flavoring, 1 cup of lemon juice. You can also use wine if you have it. We don't drink in our house, so I always use lemon juice. And I'm gonna place 1 pound of diced chicken in the bowl, raw. You guys, trust me, here's a big tip. Please put the chicken in raw. I promise it cooks. I know it might make some of you nervous. It made me nervous at first, but I promise it cooks up perfectly. So just dice your chicken in small bite-sized pieces and place it in the bowl. 1 pound of dried linguine, six cloves of garlic. Here's a tip. I love this fresh minced garlic. It is so easy, doesn't get my hands all smelly, and I love it. 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. You can actually add less red pepper flakes if that's gonna be too spicy for you and your family. 1 diced onion. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and 1 jar of sun-dried tomatoes with oil. Friends, it's ready to go on the stove pot. Seriously, take a look. It's not gonna be long and we are gonna have dinner ready for our family and they are gonna love us tonight for it. Let me show you guys what it looks like while it's cooking on the stove. I'm just gonna push this noodle right down in that liquid. You guys, seriously, the flavors of this meal soak right into those noodles. And it's one of my favorite pasta dishes in the entire world. I love this pasta meal. You're gonna love it too, seriously. We have just about 1 or 2 more minutes and we'll bring you back in the kitchen to continue the process. Meal has been boiling for about 8 minutes on the stove on high heat. I do it quickly. I'm gonna take the lid off here. What I'm gonna do next is add in spinach. And you know what? This is how many ounces? 8 ounces of spinach. Use as much or as little as you have, but I'm just gonna dump it in. Just like that. I'm gonna put the lid on and I'm gonna let that spinach cook down. I like to do it near the end. It just, I don't know, that's just how I like to do it. I like to do it near the end, that's when I choose, but you could probably dump the spinach in right at the beginning if you'd like. So I've covered my pot, I'm letting it boil for another couple of minutes. You can see what the spinach looks like. And I'm gonna check, come here Casey, I'm gonna check to see how much liquid I have at the bottom. I still have a little liquid left. I'm just gonna stir this around and let a little bit more liquid evaporate out, and then we'll do the final step of this meal. Come take a look and see what it's looking like, you guys. This is so delicious. Doesn't that look good? Who watched me make it on the farm on Route 66? And who has tried this recipe? Leave me a comment below. I really want to know if you've tried it before, because everyone that's ever gotten it wants to know the recipe. And Lisa, my good friend and neighbor, was so kind to bring it to me one time and then give me the recipe. And wow, it literally is probably our favorite go-to recipe on the farm. I especially love it because when I make this, I have lots of time to go out on the farm because it's so fast. So quick and so tasty. Okay, final step, come here. 6 to 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese dumped in, and it's gonna mix right around with that remaining liquid and make a cheesy sauce mixed with the noodles that is so good. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Let's pull it to the side. Dinner is ready. Served with a side of bread and a fresh green salad. It totally completes the meal. But sometimes this is all we eat for dinner, is just this right here. And at least we have some spinach in there and tomatoes, chicken, just a lot of goodness. And I hope you guys make it. Go try it. I'm gonna take you guys out to the farm for a little bit. This is just gonna sit on my stove covered, waiting for dinner here in about an hour when Alan gets home. And you guys, this is the best thing ever. Well, can you guys guess where we are? Alan got home from work and I came with him to pick up Chipper and her baby. And wasn't that fun to see when we pulled up with the trailer? That mama and her baby went crazy. They obviously want to go back to the farm. How was your day at work, babe?
Good.
Hey, Chipper. And Chip 66, right?
Yep.
So cute.
Chip 66. Just gonna take him home. Chipper needs her feet done. We've got to start messing with Chip 66. I want to get Chipper flushed out with an antibiotic. Since she's our nicest horse and I've never kept a filly out of her, I would really love to get a filly out of her to kind of replace her mom. And I have the perfect idea.
You're gonna share it on my channel?
Sure.
You're awesome.
Perfect idea is, if I flush her out with antibiotic and try to get her pregnant again, I want to breed her to Gold 66.
Oh, they'd make a
That
beautiful
would be his
baby.
first baby. And and maybe her last baby. If we can get her pregnant, because she's getting older, but she's still in great shape. She just told me she wants to try it. That's what she's doing. Chipper just jumped right on. Let's see if the baby will do the same. I wouldn't even have to put a halter on Chipper. Isn't he pretty? And we've got someone that wants to buy him here in town, so I'm so excited because then we get to see him grow up. All right, Chipper, I'm gonna put your halter on, and then hopefully Chip will jump on after you.
Real quick, guess what I made you for dinner?
Trifles again?
Not for dinner.
I would eat that stuff every day.
What
How about your
favorite
chili lime
meals
enchiladas?
I ever make, besides that one?
Corn dogs from Sam's Club?
Oh, brother.
Just kidding. Did you make one pot pasta?
I did.
Ooh, I love that stuff. And the kids love that too, so.
love you, babe. I may feed you corn dogs from Sam's Club tonight.
I'm
if
joking.
I had them.
I don't even like them. Oops, you caught me eating. This stuff's awesome.
No, you're supposed to have corn dogs. You said you wanted corn dogs. Everyone comment below. Should Alan have eaten corn dogs tonight?
You know, I just wanted to be polite and eat your food. Plus, it's a lot better than corn dogs. This stuff's amazing. Thanks for making it.
Thanks. I love you. Well, everybody, thanks for watching today. I hope you guys have had a wonderful day. Go make this one pot pasta dinner. It's seriously one of the best pasta recipes you will ever make your family. It's quick, it's tasty, and you guys are gonna love it as much as we do. God bless.